Hello and welcome back to my channel Study with Amandeep Tatla. If you're studying in class 9th and want to master notice writing, then this video is just for you. Notice writing is an important part of the CBSE writing skills section and has been included under both language R1 and R2 this year. So in the next few minutes, we'll learn what a notice is, its purpose, the correct format, and some simple tips to write a perfect notice in the examination. So keep your notebooks ready and let's begin. So let's begin with a simple question. Have you ever seen announcements about competitions, meetings, or events displayed on your school's notice board? Maybe, maybe not. Maybe you have not noticed. So my dear students, such formal written announcements are known as notices. Notice is a short, formal, written announcement meant for a specific group of people. It is used to inform, invite, instruct, or announce some important events and activities. Now that we know what a notice is, let's understand the key features of a good notice. Whenever you write a notice, remember three important things rather. First, the language should be formal. Since a notice is usually issued by a school or an institution or an organization, so avoid writing casual or informal expressions, avoid using abbreviations. Second, a notice should be brief and to the point. You don't have to write long paragraphs, include only important and necessary information. Third, it should be clear and informative. Anyone reading the message or the notice should immediately understand the message. Now, here's a simple trick that will help you to write a complete notice every time. So before you finish writing, ask yourself these 5 questions which is there on your screen. What is happening? When it is happening? When is it taking place? Who is it meant for? And whom should people contact for more information? If your notice answers all these questions, you can be confident that it is complete. Now let's move on to the format of a notice, which is extremely important for the examination. Many students know what to write, but they lose marks because they don't know the correct format. So let's understand. At first, you have to write the name of the school or the institution or the organization who's issuing this notice. All right, and it should be centrally aligned, followed by the word called notice. You can see that it is written in uppercase, that is capital letter. Again, it should be centrally aligned, followed by date. Date should be on the left hand side, and please write the complete name of the month. Do not end up writing an abbreviation like SEP for September. Please write the complete spelling, followed by the title or heading. It should be short, precise. Again, it should be centrally aligned, and make sure you underline it. All right. So how long your heading should be? It should not be more than 5 words. So it should be between 2 to 5 words, followed by body. Right. The body, I told you again, I'm going to tell you again that follow these 5 questions when you are preparing a body. What is it all about? When it is going to happen? Where it is going to happen? And who's the targeted audience? And whom should you contact? So when your body is able to answer all these questions, your body is complete. Do not give your personal remarks or quotations here in the body. So moving on to signatures. After providing the information, just put your signatures, your name and designation. Name and designation will be given to you. So the designation here is maybe you're the cultural head or the cultural secretary, head boy, head girl. That is your designation. All right. And finally, after completing the notice, draw a box around it. A neatly presented notice creates a good impression and helps you score better marks. So let's understand with the help of an example. But before we begin with an example, I want to give you some tips about how to write heading. So be short and precise when you're writing the heading. All right, it should be centrally aligned. underlined and not more than 5 words. Fine. Moving on to the body, please keep these things in mind. Write in a single paragraph format. Should be brief and relevant. Do not write personal remarks or quotations, your personal opinion, and then write in third person. Do not use flowery or decorative language. It's please write in simple English, plain, simple, easy English to understand. And then again, keep those things in mind which I told you when you're writing a body. What is it? When it is going to happen? Where it is happening? Who's your targeted audience? And whom to contact? So all these things, and you're not using any abbreviation. Do not use abbreviation. Use complete sentences. Write complete sentences in proper grammar. That is these are things you need to keep in mind. Okay, so let's understand with the help of an example. Suppose your school is organizing an inter-school or inter-house debate competition. So in answer to that, the notice may look like this, which is there on the screen. All right. So name of the institution is there. The word notice is there. We have written the date, heading, and the message. Students of classes 9th and 10th are informed that an inter-house debate competition will be held on 5th of July 2026 at 9 a.m. in the school auditorium. Interested students should register with their house captains by 28th of June 2026. For further details, please contact the undersigned. Aman Kumar, the name and the designation, Cultural Secretary. So you can see that this body and this whole notice is able to answer the questions very clearly. What is it? It's a debate competition, inter-house debate competition. And who's the targeted audience? Students of classes 9th and 10th. All right. When it is going to happen? 5th of July. Timing is also given 9 a.m. Where? School auditorium. Whom to contact? The house captains. For any kind of further information, you can contact the person who has written the notice, right? The undersigned person. So this body and the whole notice is able to provide all the answers which we discussed earlier, right? Your notice should answer all these questions which is there. So quick recap. A notice is a short formal announcement used to convey important information to a specific group of people. Following the correct format, keep it brief and include all the important details. Okay, my dear students. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do like, share, and subscribe for more English writing lessons. Until then, have a great day. See you in the next video.